Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Afghani cuisine is known for its incredibly rich flavor. Today I am sharing this wonderful chicken recipe. This is chicken Afghani or Afghani chicken. The key is in the marination and best served with roti, naan or parota. Let's start. Here I have taken 12 cashews soaked in water and 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves. Here I am using the stem of coriander. This gives a good flavor. 1 big onions roughly chopped and 6 big garlic clove and 2 inch of ginger chopped and 5 green chilli. You can add green chilli according to your spice. Add all this into a blender and add little water and make a fine paste. In a bowl, add 1 cup of fresh cream and half cup of curd and add the green mixture and add 1 teaspoon of white pepper and 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and 1 medium sized lemon juice. Add salt to taste and mix it well. Instead of white pepper, you can add black pepper. Here I have taken the 1 kg of chicken. Give a couple of slits to the chicken pieces. This way, when you marinate the chicken, it will be tender and juicy with lot more flavor. Pour the marinade over the chicken pieces and make sure all coated well. Let this sit for 1 or 2 hours. Keeping it overnight is always best. I kept the marinated chicken in refrigerator for 1 hour. Next, we are going to fry the chicken pieces. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil and place the marinated piece into a pan and fry this in a high flame both the sides. When you get this dark color, then reduce the flame and cook. Before frying the next batch of chicken, remove all the burnt remains with spoon or tissue or it will change the flavor and color of the gravy. Take a pan, in that add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 4 cloves and 2 cardamom pods. Then add 8 peppercorns. Along with that, add the remaining marinade. Cook this marinade in low flame for 2 minutes. In between, give it a stir. Now open the lid. You can check the oil has come out and the gravy has been cooked well. Now add the fried chicken. Mix well. Then add 1 cup of water and mix. Check the salt, if needed, please add. Now close the lid and cook it in low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. At the end, add chopped coriander leaves. And creamy and delicious Afghani chicken is ready. If you like the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.